Through the years, we have witnessed how we women had changed the world. Aside from childbearing and giving the most unconditional love to our loved ones and families, we had set the bar high and proved that we could be great leaders and game changers. This month, we are celebrating all of these accomplishments as we also raise the awareness of gender inequality because we women can. So, let us celebrate the joy of being a woman. Keep shining, spread your inspiring love, and continue to influence people with our passion, confidence, and strength. Because as Serena Williams said, every woman's success should be an inspiration to another. We're strongest when we cheer each other on. Happy Women's Day, especially to all the brave